In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to void a DocuSign document on desktop quickly and correctly. If you've sent an agreement by mistake, noticed an error in the document, or simply need to cancel it before it's completed, voiding the envelope is the safest way to stop the signing process. I'll walk you through every step so you can do it confidently in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to DocuSign. You can do this by heading to apps.docusign.com and signing in with your account credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple DocuSign profiles for different businesses or teams. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard, where you can see your recent activity and documents. From here, the next step is to click on Agreements. You'll usually find this option in the top navigation menu. Go ahead and select Agreements, and this will take you to a list of all your envelopes and documents. This page displays drafts, sent documents, completed agreements, and any documents that are still waiting for signatures. Now, locate the document that you want to void. It's important to note that you can only void documents that are still in progress. If a document has already been completed by all parties, you won't be able to void it. Once you've found the correct document in your list, look to the right-hand side of that document entry. You'll see three dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll see several actions you can take depending on the document status. From this list, click on Void. As soon as you click Void, DocuSign will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is an important step because voiding a document will immediately stop the signing process and notify all recipients that the agreement has been canceled. After clicking Void the first time, a confirmation window will appear. DocuSign may ask you to provide a reason for voiding the envelope. This reason will be included in the notification email sent to all recipients, so it's a good idea to clearly explain why the document is being voided. For example, you might write that the document was sent in error or that a revised version will be sent shortly. Once you've entered your reason, click on Void again to confirm. As soon as you do this, the document status will change to Voided. All recipients will be notified automatically, and they will no longer be able to access or sign the agreement. That's it. The document has now been successfully voided. Voiding a document in DocuSign is quick, but it's important to double-check that you are canceling the correct envelope before confirming. If you still need the agreement, you can always create a new version and resend it with the necessary corrections. And that's how you void a DocuSign document on desktop step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow DocuSign and business software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.